Hello everyone. I thought let me show my pit, compost pit. So many of you were asking how I am doing. This is the pit you can see here. It is 2 by 6 feet and depth is 2 to 3 feet. You can keep it 2 to 3 feet. First, before you start any composting, you need to put some this one dry leaves and some compost or something like that, cow dung or something like that, vermicompost, 1 or 2 buckets. Then mix it with the dry leaves. Put it up to 1 feet. Even 6 inches is also okay in one portion. The another portion I have not put anything here. When it get filled, then only I will be coming this side. So what you need to do, put those dry leaf and put some compost or something like that, and or your cow urine, mix it well, then you start your compost. So now right now what I have did, this was one dustbin full of kitchen waste. We have spread it. Now we will put some dry leaves on top, little bit we will mix it, then we will put little more this one dry leaves and little bit of soil on top. How much it is there, you need to mix half of the, if it is 1 bucket of this one kitchen waste, then you need to add 1 bucket of dry leaves to this, mix it well, then again 1 bucket of dry leaf, you cover it on top. You can add little bit soil also, it will decompose very fast. We will look into it how he does. Now you can see he is adding 1 bucket of dry leaf. He will mix it well. उसको ठीक से mix करो रमेश. You can check it. If it is really very soggy, you can take 2 buckets of dry leaf. Otherwise, only 1 bucket of dry leaf is okay. Now he is mixing it with that this one. You can add all your cooked food and this one, what is that? Vegetable and fruit peels. Don't put non-veg. Only cooked food you can put it in this pit. It doesn't smells nothing because it has a lot of soil in the surrounding and also at the bottom, so it doesn't become so soggy. So he is mixing like this. Already at the bottom it has started decomposing. Then later on top he will add little bit of dry leaves. Even if it is little, you can take 1 portion of this one, what is that, kitchen waste, and half portion of leaves is also okay, because no, we will be having at the bottom also so much of leaf. We can turn it while doing that one, so you don't need much leaves for this. So that's it. You can see it is looking so beautiful. It doesn't smells nothing. Here what we do, when it completely fill, we keep on adding. When it becomes completely full, he's putting some soil on the top, you just see. So when it becomes completely full, then we'll start here, this side, and after a few days again that side it goes down, then again we will fill it. When it doesn't take any more, then we will start this side. In that way, when this will be filled, then that will be ready. In 1.5 months you can get the compost, ready compost. You don't put any non-veg. Non-veg is really very difficult to manage. And make sure that if any cooked food is left out, give to some dogs, to the servants, or somewhere, somebody who can eat it, then if at all not possible, then you can put it in the compost pit. That's what I do. Generally cooked food will be very less in my house. I give to my servants, they eat, they will use it. So in this way you can do the compost. Then what we do now, we'll keep on this one. So in this way, little bit of if you have soil or some compost, you can put it. It is not compulsory, but we are doing it. Now we will close it, just check. So in this way we are keeping one cardboard, this one plywood, then we are covering it with this, so the rainwater doesn't fall inside. And these are my vegetables crater. I am growing some turmeric and chilies and some greens. Okay, see you, bye. Any comments, this one, let me know.